HangOn Green Effect is our concept to help our customer become more sustainable and at the same time help them become more efficient and earn more money. It consists of 3 parts: lower energy, lower CO2 and increased profit. A powder coating process is an expensive investment with high fixed cost, typically 50%. This means that product improvement has a big impact of cost savings. Hanging density typically has the highest impact on productivity. Let us look at one example. If we take a typical daisy chain situation compared with our newest fastest hanger HQWS, we increase the hanging density with 2/3 and at the same time we reduce total coating cost with 1/3. A typical powder coating process is very energy intensive. Our study shows that 80 to 90% of the energy is constant due to losses in radiation, ventilation and leakages. Also, energy benefit from an increased hanging density. So in the same hanging example, we will reduce the energy consumption per coated product with 40%. For CO2, we have to look at the energy source. Is it from coal or from water power? That is a huge difference in terms of CO2 emissions. But we also have to look at purchased good into the process. So for instance, we have powder, which consumes a lot of CO2 emissions. Also here we see a positive impact from increased hanging density. So in the same hanging example, we see a decrease of CO2 emissions with 1/3. Put together, all these calculations can be complex and challenging. HangOn has therefore developed a calculation tool to help our customers, HangOn CCC. In here you can simulate different scenarios and see how the 3 perspective changes. Total coating cost, energy consumption and CO2 emissions. These 3 perspectives have one thing in common. They all benefit from increased hanging density. At HangOn we call it fill the line.